The Nutcracker and the Four Realms has got all of those elements of the classic story, but this is a version of the Nutcracker that is not a ballet.
This film takes the story you love with new twists and turns, making this an epic adventure.
There's a very high level of craftsmanship in the film, from the costume designer to hair and makeup designer to the props to the set design. They've been allowed to completely use their imagination.
Where am I?
Welcome to the Four Realms, the land of flowers, of snowflakes, of sweets, and the fourth realm where our troubles began.
One of the things that was nice about this project was the ability to search your inner child.
We had this really exciting world. It was extremely original.
Soldiers, toys coming to life, mice, the Mouse King.
You feel like you're in one of the most beautiful palaces in the world. Every single set is a piece of art.
And we have a wonderful Academy Award-winning costume designer, Jenny Bevan. All of the detail in every little stitch, even things that you won't necessarily see on camera, it's there and it's beautiful.
I never imagined I would be in a film of this magnitude, and it's really just a dream come true to be a part of a story that means so much to me.
When you go and see the Nutcracker and the Four Realms, you get taken away with the beauty and the magic of the world.
I'm going to fix it. Can you help me?